Hey, what's up, EOS world? It's Shah from EOS BlockSmith. I wanted to show you guys our new tool, my personal new toy. It's an EOS dashboard, and I call it the BlockSmith EOS Workshop. Now, we created the site just because we got tired of trying to scour the internet every day for EOS news, EOS updates, and basically basic EOS info. And so we said, what if we came up with something that had all of that in one place where EOS token holders could just go first thing and see what's going on in the EOS world when they wanted some updates. And that's where this project was born from. Let me walk you through my favorite parts. So a lot of it is pretty self-explanatory. We want some basic stats. When I go to look for what's going on in the EOS world, I want to know what the price is today. I want to know what the or the market cap is. Sometimes I want to know what the RAM price is and what the RAM usage is. I used to have to go to a different website to do that, and now it's all kind of in one. Sometimes I want to know what's going on with the other cryptocurrencies, because while we're all big EOS fans, let's face it, we don't live in a bubble. I want to know what's going on with Bitcoin, because that's probably going to affect the EOS price. So we listed some of the top other coins in the corner down here. I don't know about you guys, but I am terribly unorganized when it comes to my internet bookmarks. Over the last 2 months, I've found some fantastic EOS websites and other tools that other block producers created. And then I just kind of kept throwing them into my one EOS bookmarks folder. And that folder probably has like 50 bookmarks in it right now. And I was like, why don't we make a section where we organize the bookmarks for people? And that's what this place is down here. I'm going to be honest with you, I've started using it a lot now since we created it. But you've got your block explorers here. EOS Flare is one of my favorites, so I definitely wanted to add that in. You know, the guys at EOS Cafe and HK EOS just created this really powerful block explorer called blocks.io. So we threw that bad boy under our list of explorers, along with some other ones. I don't know about you guys, but I use Scatter a lot. I use the GrayMass wallet because I think it's basically the best wallet out there. They update both of those from time to time, and I've heard stories about people searching to find where to download the latest version of one of those apps and getting some spoof app and downloading some malware or some other bad stuff. And so we created some bookmarks just to where to get the latest downloads. You just come here and you can go find the correct URLs. Info about airdrops, info about network resources like RAM, and then vote trackers. Personally, my favorite is the Mediterranean EOS vote tracker. You get lots of info about your favorite block producer. If you click on that, you guys have probably all seen this, but if you click on it, it'll show you how many votes were removed and how many votes have been gained, and actually show you the wallets. A lot of you have probably already seen the EOS Titan Explorer, but that's one of my favorite places to go peruse the block producer rankings as well. So we added that there. We actually created our own block producer ranking site. Well, I should say we partnered with EOS Vibes. One of the things that I noticed about a lot of those sites was that it would show you how many votes a given block producer had and what ranking they were, but it wouldn't tell you the percent change over some set of time. And I found that the Block Explorer by EOS Vibes would show you the 24-hour percent change, which I was like, that's useful data. That's what I want to see. Did these guys go up or down a lot recently? And so we partnered with them, and we're using that data. For example, you could see Shios is up 0.19% from yesterday. We're up 0.23%. All right. We took it one step further, and we basically took the top 5 gainers in the last 24 hours and the top 5 vote losers over the last 24 hours, so that you can catch those days where there's a huge change. EOS Cannon's up 6.75 million votes in the last 24 hours. That's a lot of votes to gain in 24 hours. So you can always kind of get a feel for what's going on as far as the movers and shakers in the block producer realm. If you don't really care about that stuff, you can toggle that whole panel out of the way and just look at the news and the other things that you're more interested in. And that's pretty much it. That's our BlockSmith EOS workshop. It's very much a work in progress. This is our beta. We want to add more tools. We want to know from you guys what is useful, what's not useful. Let's make this a tool that everybody finds extremely useful. So give us your feedback. If you're not already in our Telegram channel, hop on there and you can let us know what you think. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hopefully we'll keep bringing you some exciting new EOS tools and videos. Thanks for your support.